Welcome to the best picks. The best microfiber cloths is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can have in your arsenal. These cloths, with their unique structure, are highly effective at trapping dirt, dust, and grime, making them perfect for a variety of surfaces. Whether you're tackling windows, countertops, or electronics, microfiber cloths offer a streak-free, lint-free clean that traditional cloths often can't match. Number 5. Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths 24-pack. These microfiber cloths are perfect for all your cleaning needs. They are designed to clean cars, trucks, boats, and more. The cloths are ultra-soft and non-abrasive, so they won't scratch any surfaces. It is safe to use on paints, vinyl, glass, and other finishes. You can use it dry or with liquid cleaners for streak-free results. The cloths will leave a lint-free shine. These cloths are incredibly absorbent, capable of soaking up 8 times their weight in liquid. It is durable and reusable. The cloths are machine washable for easy care. Remember to wash it separately before the first use and with light colors. What we like. These cloths provide streak-free cleaning, ensuring a perfect finish every time. They are also highly absorbent, capable of soaking up a significant amount of liquid. If you have a car, boat, or any surface that needs a pristine shine, this is the perfect choice. If you are looking for a reliable and reusable cleaning solution, consider these. What people say. They effectively remove dust, dirt, and grime from various surfaces due to their soft, non-abrasive material, which prevents scratches and damage. The cloths are highly absorbent, making them ideal for spills and drying. They are reusable and machine washable, offering excellent value. Number 4. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the ultimate cleaning solution. It's designed to gently and effectively clean a variety of surfaces, leaving them spotless. Made from high-quality microfiber, it effortlessly absorbs and removes dust, oil, and smudges. You'll be amazed at how well it works, leaving no streaks or marks behind. This cloth is perfect for cleaning glasses, lenses, and screens of all kinds. It's safe and effective on delicate surfaces, ensuring they remain scratch-free. This cloth is designed for all your cleaning needs. It's great for laptops, phones, cameras, and more. Each cloth comes individually packaged, ready for use. Keep your belongings looking their best with this cleaning cloth. It's the perfect way to care for the things you care about most. Get magical results with it. What we like. This product is designed for scratch-free cleaning, perfect for delicate surfaces like glasses and screens. It is also versatile, suitable for various cleaning needs. If you are looking for a versatile and safe cleaning solution for your electronics and delicate items, you should consider this. What people say. They are very absorbent. They do not leave lint. They are a good size for cleaning. Number 3. HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Introducing the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. These cloths are designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. They are a great choice for your home. These cleaning cloths are the perfect size for various surfaces. Whether it's your worktop, windows, or car, they will leave everything streak-free and neat. You can achieve great results with just water or cleaner. Made of soft microfiber, these rags are gentle on surfaces. They won't scratch or damage any finishes, so you can clean with confidence. The material is also lint-free. These cloths quickly soak up liquids, making them perfect for spills and drying. The microfiber material ensures efficient cleaning with minimal effort. This feature makes them very convenient. These cleaning towels can be used repeatedly. With reinforced edges, they are designed to be long-lasting. You can make a positive impact on the environment by reducing paper towel use. These cloths are suitable for general cleaning, car interiors, electronics, and more. After use, simply rinse them or throw them into your washing machine. It is very convenient to use. What we like. These cloths offer effective cleaning without leaving any lint or scratches. They are also ultra-absorbent, making them ideal for spills and quick cleanups. If you like a cleaning cloth that is easy to wash and reuse, this is a great option. What people say. Absorbs kitchen floor dirt and stains quickly. Bathroom too. I love that they are different colors too. Perfect size and shade of red for my kitchen, soft and absorbent. Nicely finished edges. Number 2. Chemical Guys Gold Microfiber Towels, 16 by 16, 12 pack. These are Chemical Guys Pro Grade towels, fluffy and soft. They are perfect for final touch wiping because they are lint and scratch free. Microfiber is the industry standard cloth for detailing. The dual weave design makes this towel versatile enough for all applications, although it's perfect for final touch detailing. You can use it for various tasks. This towel uses ultra-soft microfiber and exclusive silk-banded edges. It helps prevent any swirls or scratches on sensitive paintwork and automotive surfaces. It is designed to protect your car. Use the high pile side to soak up wash water, detail sprays, and waterless wash solutions. Then, buff away dried wax, sealant, and polish with the short pile side without fear of scratching the surface. Unlike cheap microfiber towels with hard nylon edges, this one uses soft silk edges. This protects paint from damage with 100% of the towel's surface. It's a premium feature. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys. They choose it not only for the finest car care products, but also for the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This product is made with premium microfiber and features a dual weave design for versatile use. The silk-banded edges prevent scratches, ensuring the safety of your surfaces. If you are a car enthusiast or someone who values a high-quality finish, you should consider this. What people say. Works great for drying off your vehicle after going through the touchless car wash. Those car washers never seem to get your vehicle completely dry. These towels are great and do not leave streaks or scratches. Great product, large enough to wax and wash my pickup. I washed and dried a couple several times, still in good shape, no complaints. These towel in both the blue and the yellow are easily in my top towels. After you wash them first out of package with proper wash, then they really get soft. Also remove the tags right away, which comes off easily. They hold up very well with multiple washes and could last average DIY detailer multiple years. I use these for exterior of cars with glosses and shines. Never scratches paint and color maintains better than expected. Granted, I keep 50 of each color I use the most, so I have my cycle I go through, so not washing same ones daily. Number 1. USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, Gray 12 PCS. Introducing the USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. The grip root weave works like plant root follicles, trapping and locking away liquids and dirt. This allows it to work faster and more efficiently than traditional cleaning rags. Unlike other microfiber towels, this one won't leave lint, scratches, or swirls. The rapid dry release layers create a streak-free mirror shine. It's designed with a solid thickness to prevent any damage. This 12-pack offers commercial-grade 300 GSM microfiber towels. With a 2.5 mm thickness and overlock braided stitching, it's a sustainable solution for all your cleaning needs. It can last for years. This microfiber cleaning cloth is crafted with a 2.5 mm thickness to quickly absorb messes, oils, and liquids. It's 4 times more absorbent than cotton cloths, making it an all-purpose cleaning solution. Try this grip root technology risk-free for 30 days. It locks away dirt, dust, and spills better than any other cleaning rag you've tried. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This product boasts high absorbency, quickly trapping dirt and liquids. The durable weave ensures it lasts through numerous washes. If you like a cleaning cloth that can withstand heavy use and provide a streak-free shine, you should consider this. What people say. These cloths are incredibly absorbent, making cleaning up spills a breeze. They're soft enough for delicate surfaces yet durable for tougher cleaning tasks. They are very durable and really trap dust and debris in the fibers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.